Hello everybody, welcome to the Drunken Sailor Cocktail channel. I'm Bill, and if you just happen to stumble upon this channel, it means you might be a little bit thirsty. And you're in good luck because this is the place where we're going to show you how to make good, tasty cocktails. We've got one for you today that is very simple to make, and it is reflective of this time of year, that springtime turning into summer. This cocktail is called the Sunburn. So have a seat at the bar and join me as we make this cocktail. Let's get pouring. Now this is a cocktail you can either make in a mixing glass or a shaker. Typically, if you have fresh fruit juices in there, you want to shake a cocktail. If you don't have fresh fruit juices, you can mix it up in a mixing glass. And today we're going to do it in a mixing glass. The Sunburn is 3 easy ingredients. Our first one is tequila. We've got a blanco tequila. We're using a dry curacao, Pourin. And of course, our juice in here today is cranberry juice. Since it's not a fresh juice, there's no pulp in it, we don't have to worry about stirring it up. So let's get this out of the way a little bit. Our first ingredient going to go in this mixing glass is our cranberry juice. We're using 2.5 ounces. We're going to follow that up with dry curacao. Now the dry curacao is an orange-based liqueur. It's made with cognac. This is actually a French liqueur. It's made very similar to Grand Marnier. If you like Grand Marnier in your margaritas and in your other cocktails, you might like this too. Once again, French process, French liqueur, and it's almost half the price. So for that, we are going to put in there 1 ounce. Our next ingredient going in there is blanco tequila, and today I'm using same quantity in there, 1 ounce. Believe it or not, that's all the ingredients that are going in there. I told you this one was simple. What we want to do now is ice this up so that we can chill it down. So we're going to put some ice in this mixing glass. And don't be afraid to use a lot of ice in there. That's just going to make it cold. And now we're going to start to stir. We're going to give that about 30, 40 turns around there. We're going to make that cold. This is also going to give it a little bit of dilution in there. When you feel that side of that glass and it starts to get chilled, you know you're at the right temperature. And we're starting to get that chill now, so I'd say we're there. Now, what we need is a glass or a straw. But today I'm using a martini glass, and I've had that chilling, so I've got ice and water in there. That's going to cool that down. It's also going to help keep the drink cold. So let's dump this. And now we simply pour. And you say, where did they get the name of the cocktail from? Well, if you look at the color of it, that first day on the beach every springtime, that's about the color of my skin. Now, all we need to do is garnish. And for that, I'm going to take a lemon peel. I'm going to give that a twist. I'm going to express those oils over the top. Give that a rub that right around the rim. Let's make sure that we're twisted on that. And we just lay that on top. And then there's today's cocktail, the Sunburn. Let's give this a taste. Oh, beautiful. It's got a margarita taste to it. Of course, we've got tequila in there. We've got the orange liqueur. That cranberry gives it a little bit of sweetness, but a little bit of tartness. It smells great. It looks beautiful. This is going to be a great sipper for you, folks. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you at the next cocktail. Cheers.